my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please like, share, and press the notification. Thank you for watching. Today is Crockpot Day. We're going to make turkey noodle soup. You're going to need turkey, onions, garlic, celery, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken stock, bay leaves, poultry season, black pepper, carrots, and parsley. On to the recipe. Now all we got to do is put everything together. First goes in the turkey. And I'm making a lot of it. Onion, celery, and garlic's next. Carrots and parsley's next. Now I'm going to put some chicken stock in there. I'll do water to cover it, but I'm getting the chicken stock in there. And I made it look better than bouillon cubes, so I can actually dilute it. I actually had 2 tablespoons of the better than bouillon beef base with 1 cup of water. So you just do water to cover. And now to the spices. In case you're wondering how much parsley I put in 4 chopped up tablespoons. Now I'm doing a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 bay leaf. Well, depending on how big they are. It says 1. I'll put in at least 2. Make it 3. 3 bay leaves. And I'll put my bay leaves back. Now, poultry seasoning, I'll be putting in a teaspoon of it after I get my bottle open. Yeah, I like poultry seasoning. I'll do a heaping. I want it to smell like Thanksgiving in a place. Now I'm going to do some black pepper now. I'm just grating in some black pepper. You grate in how much you like. I like using fresh, but if you have the other one, you can use the other one. There we go. And now we add some more water. And all we're doing is covering it with water. And we still have the noodles at the end to put in here. So you just put it on. If you want to do it fast, you can do it on 3 hours. Or you could actually do it 6 hours on low. 3 hours on high. Basically, you want to cook all the veggies. And the most important thing to do right now is make sure your crock pot is turned on. I'm doing mine on high. Put the lid on, and we're good to go. Now I'll do a quick stir of the spices to make sure everything gets mixed up. Now we stir it up. Now add some noodles. This is what it looks like when it's cooked. I'll plate it up for you. Before I served it, I tasted it and I had to add more onion powder and garlic powder to taste. This is my disclaimer. I have no sponsors for products used or mentioned. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. Thank you.